Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Zealand's coming to you live. This is our eating time, drive time update, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is the OG, just expressing opinion that this video is for educational purposes in the house, guys. We got Mr. Brilliant, the Mr. Brilliant alien in the house, guys. I want to give a big shout out to Mr. Brilliant for sharing some interesting news, guys. We're going to talk about that, and also we got the Dino, the Dino in here. So it looks like we got a double green day. We got the double green guys in town. So that is pretty good. We're seeing overall the crypto markets are up right now. We're going to be talking about that. So that is pretty cool beans in the house. It looks like we're seeing that a whole bunch of cryptocurrency ATMs that are moving across America have now included Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. So we're going to jump into that as well. And it looks like we could be seeing that there's going to be a huge altcoin season happening. And we're seeing that this is one of the hugest and biggest accumulation periods that we're seeing for Bitcoin and crypto in a very, very long time, guys. So that is really cool beans in the house. And you guys just have to be so excited right now because things are going up, uppity up, and everything is looking pretty good. So let's jump into it, guys. Let's absolutely jump into it. Let's jump into the heat map in the house. We're seeing that Bitcoin right now is up at 2.31%. So that is pretty cool beans in the house. We're seeing Ethereum is at 3,101, and that's up also 2.38%. And we're seeing right now that Solana, Dot, and Luna, they're also up over 6%. So that is cool beans in the house. So everything is looking pretty good. Let's take a look at the pre-markets. Let's absolutely take a look at the pre-markets. So right now the pre-markets are basically neutral right now. So there's no telling where we're going to see and how we're going to see things absolutely lift off in the house. So that is cool beans in the house. And if we take a look at the monthly Bitcoin returns right now, we're seeing that so far, we're seeing that January we were down 16.68%. We're seeing that February we're up about 12%, and we're seeing that in March we're down about 5.39%. So that's around about 18%. So far we're down, year to date, around about 4 to 5%, about 5% down. And April's turned out to be a big Debbie Downer month, and there's a lot of reasons for that. I talked about in my previous videos. We've got the Ukraine-Russian crisis. That's one of the catalyst. We've got the Fed, Jeremy Powell in the house who's saying gloom and doom, and he's going to be raising interest rates. There's been some rumors that interest rates could go as high as 3.5%. Ouch, ouch, ouch. So all these catalysts are creating a perfect storm to, put the biddy down. But we're also seeing that, long-term holders, we're seeing, there's been long-term holders who've been holding for a year plus right now. Even the short-term holders that bought at 69,000, they're still not, they're still not selling out there. They're still not giving up. They're still not capitulating to the greed out there. And they're still holding, and that is why we're seeing that the amount of Bitcoin exchange is going down, down. So that is cool beans, absolutely cool beans in the house, and that just gives me more, more impetus, more proof, more faith, more conviction out there that Bitcoin is going to be going uppity up. So that is pretty cool beans in the house, guys. So you can see right now, if we take a look at the daily on-chain flow, and we can see that the amount of Bitcoin that's flown off exchanges today has been about $233.9 million. And this is on spot exchange. This is not on OTC. So this just gives us more evidence that, people are still buying up the Bitcoin and moving it off exchanges. So keep in mind that Thursday is going to be the OG's DCA day. I'm going to be buying some Bitcoin. I'm going to be buying Ethereum, Doge, of course, and top 5 layer 1 protocols out there. And every Thursday I DCA like a crazy man, like a madman out there. And when I do that, I'm also taking off Bitcoin and Ethereum off the exchange as well. So I'm contributing to the pump that's going to be coming. There's going to be a huge pumpity pump, and we're seeing that Crypto Rover. He's saying that we could be seeing $50,000 incoming for Bitcoin by Friday. I hope that happens. I really hope it happens, guys. We're seeing the net flow of Ethereum right now is minus $213,000. So that is pretty cool beans in the house. And we're seeing the net flow of Tether onto exchanges is plus 222. I'm getting my words tongue tied. About 22.5 million in the house. So that's pretty cool beans, guys. So that's absolutely wonderful. That's fantastic. Just means it goes to show that more people are buying and buying. Hey, looks like a Korean car maker Hyundai blasts into the NFT space with Meta Kong's attire. So it looks like the South Korean automaker Hyundai. I don't know how many people you're driving a Hyundai. My favorite car out there is actually a Porsche Cayenne. I like Porsche Cayenne. When you got a family, it's a perfect utility car. I love it. You love it. And but it looks like Hyundai is tying up with the NFT project, and this is bullish, guys. If Hyundai is definitely aping into NFT projects, and this is going to be hosted on OpenCIO. So that is pretty bullish news, guys, in the house. So this also coming in. It looks like, as I said, we're seeing right now that if you look at you have CoinCloud, these are ATMs that are all across America. You can now buy Shiba Inu and Doge on CoinCloud. So this is cool beans, guys. This is just another catalyst that just proved to me that Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Shiba Inu and all the other coins are becoming mainstream, because basically you put your money in, scan your wallet, and boom, chakalaka, you get your crypto out there. So this is cool beans in the house, guys. So other stuff that coming in, we are witnessing one of the biggest accumulations in phases in history, apart from the 2020. We had the virus crash. And this is huge, guys. This is absolutely huge. And you guys can see here that, the accumulation phase right now, as of the 11th of April 2022, is one of the biggest and largest in the history of Bitcoin. And, something is going to give. And I know you guys are tired. Like, oh, geez, something's going to give. When is it going to give? Well, guys, buckle up. Smell the rocket fuel. Smell what's cooking in the kitchen, because if you can't be patient, you can't wait till summer, then you should sell and go and watch paper and paint dry and snow melt, guys. Because if you guys just can't handle the frustration, the volatility, and the Debbie Downer sometimes, and that's about being in crypto, guys. You just need to be patient. You need to have diamond hands. So we're seeing that this is the biggest accumulation in the history of Bitcoin, apart from the virus crash that we had in 2020. So you know what's going to happen next? Boom, guys, we're going to the moon, guys. We're going to the moon, and we're going to take the alien rocket ship with us, guys. So book your tickets with the alien, guys. Absolutely book your tickets with the alien, with Mr. Brilliant, the alien in the house. Big shout out to Mr. Brilliant, guys. He's been one of my longtime supporters. I think he was like the 3rd super member out there. So yeah, Mr. Brilliant. Also want to give a big shout out to David Ricine, Bo Dollar out there, Nick Ann, Jamie 360, John Pryor, Wendy out there, and all the Memphis out there, and all the brothers and sisters who are supporting the channel, all the members, all the subscribers. So if you've just subscribed, thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you for being part of the community. And don't forget, if you're a member and you're a subscriber, please do a couple things. Take this video link, copy, and call to action. Get it out there. Send it out there. Let's get the views up, guys. Let's get the love up. Spread the good vibe. And don't forget to boop that like, subscribe, and comment up a stormy, warmy, guys. So we're also seeing this that 41,500 is a new $3,300, guys. And we saw this a huge accumulation phase way back when, and we're seeing this is going to be the start of the next big accumulation phase. So the bottom is in, and we're seeing that the bottom is around about $39,000. So who wouldn't want to have a Bitcoin bottom at $39,000? I'd love that, because just imagine, guys, some time ago that Bitcoin was like at $4,000. I remember buying a ton of Bitcoin when I was living in Indonesia at $4,000, guys. I loaded up like a madman. My wife was like, "Why are you buying Bitcoin? It's going nowhere." I mean, the wife has changed it too now, because $3,000 versus 41,000, 3,000. There's definitely a big parabolic upside there. So she's like, yeah, okay, I'll shut my mouth now and just let the OG do what he wants to do when it comes to crypto. And she's actually become a crypto enthusiast now. I mean, I told you the story. She bought the SHIB behind my back. She bought Floki behind my back, and she bought Saitama behind my back. And she kind of like memed out. She like went like on a meme coin rampage out there. So if you're talking about the queen of meme coin holders, my wife is definitely a meme coin holder, guys. She loves anything that's got a meme coin theme. She's buying it because she thinks these things are going to go moon boy up to $1 billion. So she says, just watch out. I'm going to be a billionaire before you are. It's like, okay. I'll take it. So, because remember, when you're married, 50% of mine is hers and 50% of hers is mine. So I hope she becomes a billionaire, because I get half of that stuff. Boom, cash that out and take that to the bank. So you're seeing that the Fed's late response to inflation will push Bitcoin and crypto higher and higher, because the biggest hedge against inflation is absolutely confirmed in the house is Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. You know it, I know it, I love it, guys. You love it, guys. Absolutely love it. We love it, right? So it looks like it's from Matthew Hayward inside. The battle lines have been drawn, and we're seeing that the battle lines have been drawn. and we're seeing that the new low or the new support level is at 37,200. Boom, guys, and that could be the Bitcoin new bottom. And then we have our resistance at 48,002, guys. So that is cool beans. We saw previously our support levels at 33,000, and our high was at 46,000. So we're seeing that we're getting higher lows out there. So you guys know what that means when we get higher lows. That just means one thing: boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka. And the alien and the Dino are here, guys. The Dino loves the green days. I love the Dino. Get on that shoulder, Dino, and get on there. So we love the Dino show right now. So also this is coming 73% of all Bitcoin in circulating supply that is off exchange has not moved in 1+ years, guys. So the Dino's loving that, guys, that we've had more than 73% of all the Bitcoin that's been held hasn't moved in over a year, guys. So what is that telling you? That is telling you one thing, that the Debbie Downer bear is getting out of there, guys, because we don't need a Debbie Downer bear, because we're seeing the crypto accumulation, the crypto revolution in the house, guys. So the other thing we're seeing, this is the start of the new uptrend. So this is from Crypto Rover in house, and he believes that we're going to be seeing a blast off to $50,000 incoming pretty soon. So I hope it. We're seeing the RSI is broken out to the upside. We're seeing the huge support line. We're seeing higher highs, and definitely at 41,464. The next targets are going to be $50,000 in the house, guys. So I love it. You love it. You love the Dino. I love the Dino, guys. So let's get the Dino. He's out of there. He's going to get some water. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. I'm so excited, guys. It's great to have a crypto key. So it looks like just in India's largest crypto exchange, Warex, has actually relocated to Dubai out there. And the reason they've done that is because the tax and the regulatory framework in India is insane in the membrane. Insane, guys, absolutely insane. So let's take a look at the leverage apes in the house. The apes. We're seeing that the leverage apes right now, we're seeing $119 million have been wrecked or out of there, and that's about 38,000 traders, guys. 38,000 traders, ladies and gentlemen, have been wrecked, guys. Never leverage trade. If you're a leverage trader out there, stop it. You can't win. You absolutely can't win, because the system is stacked against you, guys. Because the centralized exchanges, what they do is they let the market makers know in what direction the longs, the leverage resistance are, and they bet against you every single time to take out your liquidity, to pull your liquidity from your pockets, and then you end up on the street homeless because you're leverage traded, guys. Remember, if you buy your coins on the spot exchange, whatever coins that you have, doesn't matter what the price is, up or down. I mean, for example, when the Dogecoin was at 72 cents, it was worth one Dogecoin. And now when Dogecoin is below 15 cents, one Dogecoin is still one Dogecoin, guys. So wake up, smell the coffee already. And we're seeing right now that if you're looking at the last 24 hours, or this current 24-hour period, we're seeing that 71% of the positions are shorts, and that's pretty good. That's why we're seeing a Bitcoin pumpity pump. In the last hour, we're seeing shorts, yeah, so shorts are still building up again. We're seeing in the 4 hours, shorts, yeah, that's a positive sign. And we're seeing in the last 12 hours, it's also shorts, guys. So we're seeing a lot of shorts building up. So this is more evidence that we could be seeing $50,000 income. According to Crypto Rover, guys, that's what Crypto Rover is saying, guys. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin, we're seeing Dogecoin is at 14.40, and we're just below our 14.50. So this is our 14.50 resistance level right here, guys. So we need to get ourselves giddy on up past there. And we're getting pretty gingerly close. We got rejected twice, but we're going to be getting back up there as long as Bitcoin keeps on making its move to the upside. You know you want it. I want it. So let's take a look at the Dogecoin informatics, guys, and see what's going on over there. And right now we can see that Dogecoin informatics, 58% of all the Dogecoin holders are in the money. So if you're out of the money, you are one of the minorities out there. And we're seeing that, right now we're looking mainly bearish, but we're getting pretty close to neutral, so that's pretty good. And we're seeing that Dogecoin has gone up 2% today, so that is good. And we're at 14,470, so that's almost 15 cents in the house, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin doing? So Bitcoin has broken out of my apex here, so that is pretty cool beans in the house. And we're trading at $41,575. I believe we're going to be hitting about $42,000 by the time in about 24 hours from now. I'm pretty confident about that, because we can see all the leverage traders, all the positions there are short, so the shorts are building up. And what the market makers are going to do to take the liquidity out there is they're going to push the Bitcoin price up to wreck as many of the short traders out there as possible. So that's what's going to go on, guys. So let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now. So Bitcoin is at the top side of my horizontal support line, and hopefully we can get back up into this 45,000 to the $48,000 level. So we're going to do that. We got a major resistance level at about 45,350. So hopefully we can get up there. I think we're going to do it, guys. I think we're going to move very fast right now. As as Michael Hayward says, we're painting higher highs, and we now have a higher support level, and our next resistance at 46,000. So we're definitely going to be moving on up in the right direction, guys. So that is pretty good. Let's take a look at Ethereum right now. Ethereum is doing very good. It's about to get back into my upward sloping channel line. A lot of people saying that we're getting a bear flag and that we're going to see Ethereum go down, down. But it seems that this has been invalidated now, and looks like we are now trading at $3,105. So the $3,000 level is being supported like crazy, guys. So I'm loving it. You're loving it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. And we're seeing it 88 right now is at 95 cents, and it's just kind of going sideways. So we really need 88 to make some moves, guys. But we're seeing that the number of addresses or wallets on 88 is increasing, but we're not seeing much movement in terms of the price. But the TVL is building for most of the chains out there. So we're seeing that right now. Phantom is at $1.20 in the house, and it's moving up slightly. So if you look at the on-chain data right now, let's give me a minty refresh for the on-chain data. So we're seeing right now that Terra is up. We're seeing that BSC is up, Avalanche is up. Terra is number 2 right now. And we're seeing right now the TVL to market cap is still pretty healthy. So anything under a 2 means that it is undervalued right now. So we're seeing Avalanche is also doing pretty good. Solana is overvalued right now. So that is why Solana is not moving in great gangbusters. We're seeing that Polygon is also doing pretty good. So for me, if you guys are wondering, what should I buy? Remember, this is not financial advice. Just go to DeFi Llama and look at the top chains, guys. So if you look at the top 13 chains, this is something you may want to think about, guys. Plus, of course, you want to have Ethereum in there, and you want to have Bitcoin. Remember, diversification is key. So let's take a look again at Phantom. Phantom is at $1.19, as I said, but it looks like it's moving up in the right direction. So we're getting a nice channel line up to this direction. So hopefully, we can break out of this whole apex here and get ourselves above this resistance here, guys and gals. So let's see if we can do that. I'm hoping that we can do that, and that's going to be the convergence. We'll see a convergence about $1.35 for Phantom in the house. So let's take a look at Solana right now. So Solana is at 108. So it's doing pretty good as well. We're seeing a nice movement to the upside, and hopefully we can get ourselves and follow this channel line all the way up to $120. So our next level of resistance is about 110. We did hit it one time, we got rejected, and we're trying to move up to 110 again. So hopefully we can do that. Let's take a look at the total market cap. So right now, let me give this a minty refresh. Let's give it a minty refresh. So right now we're seeing that the total market cap is about 1.99 trillion, and the volume is a little bit light because we're moving in. The American markets are going to open soon, so expect the volumes to increase as America opens. It's at 55.93 billion, and we're seeing the Bitcoin dollars is about the same as it was earlier. So overall, we're seeing that the carnage in the house is looking pretty good. Bitcoin is up 1.97%. Ethereum is up 2% right now. BNB is up. It's over $400. That's what we want to see. We're seeing Solana is making some good moves at 6.43%. Remember, time recording, when you're watching this could be different, guys. We're seeing Luna Tuna is up $95. It's almost 6%. Avalanche is up 3%. We're seeing Doge is up 3.63% now, so it's making some moves, and we're getting pretty closer to smashing past that 15 cents. And I did tell you that by Monday we should see 15 cents incoming. I hope I'm right, and if I'm not, guys, you can beat me up in the comments, and whatever you want to say, just do it, guys, because I'm a big boy. I can take it. I can handle the vitriolic comments, guys, because you guys wouldn't believe how many nasty comments we get on a daily basis sometimes on the YouTube. It's just crazy, guys. There's a lot of Debbie Downers, a lot of weak Nazis who are just very vitriolic because, when people start losing money because they didn't do what I said, they didn't dollar cost average, they didn't hodl, they just did their own thing, they didn't listen, and then they get all mad at me. It's like, come on, guys. For example, if we take a look at our portfolio in the house, you can absolutely see that our portfolio is not doing too bad. It's absolutely not doing too bad in the house, guys. So overall, we're okay, guys. We're still doing okay. I wouldn't panic too much, guys. With that being said, guys, don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter. We got 4,324 followers on Twitter. Follow. Don't forget to boop the likes, subscribe, comment up a storm, and don't forget to check out the link site. Get the links. You want the links, get the links, and buy the channel a coffee, become a Patreon member. And don't forget to check out the merch. Get the mug, get the cup. up. Get the backpack, guys. Get the backpack and get the cap. And we also got t-shirts and hoodies, stuff like that. So guys, be glorious, be well, be blessed. God bless each and every one. Crypto's a jungle out there. Remember, turn on two-factor authentication and protect your crypto wherever it lives. This is the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo, in the house. Ice, baby. I see you. I love it. And don't forget, last chance to boop the likes, guys. So I'll see you. Be well. Oh yeah.